And I have been telling you that I went for studies, transforming this simple picture to this same picture to this same picture to this, and even this and this. It's very simple, and that is done by AI. I know it's very strange for you to have seen this, and I just want to teach you one of those skills, one of those techniques, and I'm going to be using Gemini, Google Gemini.com, right? So I will take a very short, let me take some few seconds and show you how to transform these pictures with no delay. What I want you to know is these are the major things. You must be able to create prompts. You must be able to write down specifications. You must be able to generate. But this is one thing you can do. You can always go to AI, chat GPT. It generates prompt, and then you edit it to suit what you want. The kind of, is it a portrait of this? Is it a casual dressing? Is it a street? All those things are very necessary for you to be able to do them. And how do we do this? Let me take you into this video and show you how I transformed all these pictures you see. Let's go. And thank you for watching. Please, if this is your first time to be here, make sure you like this video, you share with somebody, comment, I want to learn more, and I'll be bringing more videos like this so that you can learn. Let's go, and I'll teach you just how to do this. Show you how we can go about this. Let's go to Google Gemini, and we go here. I already have a created prompt, right? It's very simple. So I first of all write my prompts and I keep them down. Okay, so we come here. First of all, when you come here, they'll ask you to sign in. Okay, you have to sign in, and you have a limited amount of videos to create with a single email for a day. So let me sign in. After I sign in, I'm going to input a picture here. I am going to use this picture here, and this is all. You click on this picture, you choose, and the picture you are using should be very clear. Your face should be very clear, and it should be a selfie facing directly to the camera with natural clear light. All right, you write a very good prompt that will specify. If you want this very prompt, tell me to drop in the comment section. Just comment. You need that. You can use it, you can edit it, you can change the dressing, and you can change a lot of things to make it easy for you. And constantly I'm going to be creating videos like this, and I'm going to be dropping the prompts, or I'm going to be creating posts with pictures and how I created them, so that you can also use my prompt to create your own videos, all right, or your pictures. So this is what it can do for you. Let's me drop and see what it's going to bring out for me. Okay, you click on send. It's loading. It's going to take some few seconds, and let's see what it's going to bring to us now. All right, it's loading, and boom, you can see it for yourself, and it came out. So this is all you need to do, and please don't forget to follow me for more videos like this. God bless you. Big Benji here.